Ano po dapat gawin if di alam ang pag-ibig number ng namatay na? Thank you po. Well, friends, ito yung tanong ni Sir sa Q&A with Proof AMN. It's about pag-ibig number or MID ni pag-ibig member na namatay na. Paano daw malaman? Okay, sige, sagutin natin ang question in a direct, concise, and with example. Let's get started. So, ang sagot sa question ni Sir is that punta kayo sa branch ni Pag-ibig and look for PACD officer. Ano po ang PACD? Ito po, Public Assistance and Complaints Desk, PACD. There shall be a designated FOI, receiving officer in every public assistance and complaints desk. The functions of the PACD shall include receiving on behalf of the fund all requests for information and simultaneously forward the same to the Member Relations Department and the Task Force on Corporate Affairs Sector. So ito po yung research ko, sir, sa website ni Pag-ibig. So kung may tanong tayo concerning sa member, yan po, may Public Assistance Complaints Desk po si Pag-ibig. So hanapin niyo po or pagtanong kayo sa guard kung saan ito and doon tayo mag-transact. So rest assured po, malalaman niyo ang Pag-ibig number ni member. In your case, yung namatay po ninyo na family relative po. I'm sure mag-claim kayo ng provident benefit claim, like yung death claim po, right? So, apart from getting the Pag-ibig number ng namatay nyo na relative, maghingi na rin kayo ng provident benefit form para may death claim kayo na makuha. And importante din talaga yung Pag-ibig number kasi may fill out kayo na form and may ilagay doon na Pag-ibig number. Alright, so maghingi din kayo ng ESAB para malaman nyo kung magkano na po yung pondo ni Pag-ibig member. As long as may authority ka to get that information, sir, or beneficiary ka sa namatay na member. So, bring to valid IDs po. Ayan po ang requirement ni Pag-ibig. Okay. So, hope na nasagot ko yung question ni sir. Keep watching my YouTube channel. Thank you. God bless. And 2 thumbs up.